Introducing the new Baumr-AG 55CX 40V cordless lawnmower. Powered by two 4Ah lithium zinc batteries. There's 6-stage height adjustment and starting couldn't be simpler. You'll slice through the grass with ease thanks to the advanced brushless DC motor. With a tough steel deck and solid rubber wheels, the 550CX is built to last. With no fueling, fumes or loud noise, mowing is a pleasure. It also includes a mulch plug and side chute, giving you the option to feed ultra-fine clippings to your lawn. When you're done, quick-release folding handles allow for easy storage. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy the convenience of premium rechargeable cordless technology. Buy smart, buy a Baumr.